Good afternoon, this is Keith All, and welcome back to another episode of Amazing Tips, Tricks, and Hacks using the Builderall platform. Today we're going to learn how we could create this effect that you see on the screen right now. Now I'm going to show you a couple different ways that you could achieve the same effect. Now the first effect is, this is a panel, okay, and all I did was added an image to it. Let's see, let's go back here. Let's go to the background settings, and all I did was I uploaded an image that I already pre-made with this color and opacity with it. So you could see that I already uploaded it to my user files. And then I also have the one next to it, the left one, is the original photograph without the coloring associated with it. Now, what I did was, well, basically, before I show you how I did that with the image, basically I have a button element. And this button element, you could see that you could see through it down to the image below. So if I move it around, you could see through the button. So let's see how we did that first, and then I'll show you what I did with the image. Let's click on Edit, and then all you do is go up to the General Colors, and let's say your overall theme for your website are these two different blue colors, which is the color that you see, it's a lighter blue on the image itself, and then there's a darker blue for the background color for the button element. Now what I did was I put this hex code in there, and that's the original color. But in order for you to see through that button, like a transparency, you come down to this second slider and just basically turn down the transparency, so you could see through the button to the image below. See, you could see through it there. Okay. So now I'll show you what I did with the image itself, but I'm using an outside program called Photoshop. So basically what I did was I took my image, and then what I did was I added a color, a solid color adjustment layer with the color that I want initially, so which is this one. And then all I did was I come over here in the layers panel and I turn down the opacity so you could see through it. So there you go. So that's how you could do that in that fashion. Of course, then I saved the file as a JPEG, and then I uploaded it to my Builderall user files directory. Now let's see how we could do it a different way if you don't have access to an outside program that you could do photo editing with. So let's go over here. Let's go back here. I created another panel below this, same image, but basically what I did was I have the background image. Let's edit this so you can see. Background settings, and there's the original image without the color adjustment layer to it. So that's on the panel element itself. Now what I overlaid that panel with was a box element, which is this one right here. So let's scroll up just a bit so you can see. So this is a box element, and I adjusted the size, the height and width of the box element so it extends the width and height of this panel. And then all I did to the box element was I changed the color of it. So which is the background setting. So here it is. So I clicked on here. I created again the original color, okay, which was this. Now I want to be able to see through this box element like a transparent element so I could see the image below it. So again, I just adjusted the slider below, the second slider below, to whatever transparency that I wanted to have or achieve. So that those are tips that you could create for your website for your overall branding, colors, and theme, and whatever look and feel that you want for the user to have. Hopefully this gave you another tip on designing your websites with the Builderall platform and the Cheetah Builder. Remember to subscribe to my channel and click on that bell notification, and also please like, share, and comment. I appreciate your comments, and if you have questions about this particular video, of course, put them in the comments below. And also, if you have ideas for future tutorials, please let me know and I'll work on that for you. Thanks again for stopping by. You have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video.